XFJ 830M17. Institutional evaluation. How should institutions interpret independent findings? Once independent findings can be compared, the next question becomes, how should institutions evaluate those findings without turning research into automatic endorsement? This is the next stage of the XFJ 830 framework. Different institutions have different responsibilities. Scientific institutions may examine evidence and methodology. Museums may examine physical history, preservation, and documentation. Archives may examine continuity and records. Universities may conduct independent research. Auction houses may consider whether verified time provides useful information for asset analysis. Collectors and decision makers may ask whether the research has practical relevance. These perspectives do not need to produce the same conclusion. The important question is, can each institution evaluate the evidence according to its own professional standards? The process can be structured as independent findings, down arrow, institutional review, down arrow, professional standards, comparison, down arrow, assessment, down arrow, further research. This creates another important distinction. Institutional evaluation does not equal institutional endorsement. An institution may study XFJ 830 without adopting it. It may identify strengths. It may identify limitations. It may request additional evidence. It may conclude that further research is necessary. All of these outcomes are legitimate. XFJ 830 therefore does not need institutions to declare XFJ 830 is correct. Instead, the framework creates an opportunity for institutions to ask, what has been demonstrated? What remains a research proposition? What evidence is still missing? What can our institution independently test? This is particularly important when discussing time asset and time value. Institutional evaluation should not automatically transform a research concept into market value. Research findings and market decisions must remain distinguishable. The stronger structure is evidence, independent research, down arrow, institutional evaluation, down arrow, qualified findings, and institution, further verification. Potential application. This keeps the framework open while preventing premature conclusions. The central question of XFJ 830M17 is, can institutions independently evaluate XFJ 830 while preserving the difference between research, endorsement, and practical application? If so, the next question follows naturally. How should high-level decision makers and markets use independently evaluated time information without treating it as a guaranteed form of value? XFJ 830 official website, www.xfj830.com. XFJ 830 #institutional evaluation. Independent research #time asset #time value.